After fertilization, the embryo develops inside the body of the mother. So what happens? There is a picture shown here, and if you see in your book, then it shows the inner structure of the female body, and it is showing that there is uterus shown here. The uterus is shown here, and this uterus is connected with, this is the fallopian tube, and this is the ovary. Now here in the ovary, the ovule which has been produced by the ovary, it moves from here, it starts moving towards the oviduct, that is the pipe. The picture is shown that the ovule which moves here, it was fertilized inside the oviduct, and after fertilization then it moves towards the uterus and starts growing. The fertilization results in the formation of a zygote which begins to develop into an embryo. The embryo is shown here as a round ball-like structure. The zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to a ball of cells. Now these ball of cells further grow and they form tissue-like organs. The developing structure is called an embryo. This embryo sticks to the wall of the mother's uterus and starts developing. The embryo continues to develop in the uterus gradually, and then it develops into a baby. In this picture here, it is showing there is a wall of uterus shown here. In this wall, the embryo has joined, it sticks to the wall of the mother. This is showing the structure which is joined to the uterus, and then it starts taking nourishment from the uterus wall and it starts growing. So in the beginning, all the human beings and all the animals who give birth to their babies, they stick to the wall of the mother uterus, and then they start maturing and taking nourishment. The developing embryo is shown in this picture, where there is a baby shown, and the uterus wall, as you know, it is shown here, and the baby is attached to the uterus with the help of a red-like pipe-like structure. The body parts of the baby has got hands, legs, head, eyes, ears. They start growing when the baby starts maturing from the first month. And all of you know that the baby takes almost 9 months to develop inside the body of the mother. The stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called a fetus. So what are the stages of development? In the beginning, the fertilization of sperm and ovum forms a zygote. This zygote then gets moved and it moves towards the oviduct. From the oviduct it moves towards the uterus. The uterus is shown in this picture. In the uterus, when it starts growing, then it is a simple ball of cells which further grows and forms heads and hands. This developing embryo, in which all the body parts can be identified, is called a fetus. When the development of the fetus is complete after 9 months, the mother gives birth to the baby. So till 9 months we are inside the body of the mother, and the baby which is shown here is surrounded by a liquid which is shown here, not shown here, but actually the baby is not inside a hollow space. The baby is surrounded by a liquid which protects the child from jerks, because the mother will move and the mother will move here and there. When the mother will move, the baby inside the body of the mother will also get jerks. To prevent jerk, the baby is surrounded like a ball or a balloon suspended in a liquid. The liquid protects the child from jerks and the baby is protected. The umbilical cord or the pipe which is shown red here, this pipe supplies blood and food to the mother, from the mother to the baby. The baby takes nourishment from the mother's body through this umbilical cord which connects the baby to the mother. When the baby takes the nourishment, then it produces waste also. The waste produced by the baby is transferred to the body of the mother through this pipe only, through the blood. Now the blood which is supplied by the mother to the baby is connected through this pipe, which is called the umbilical cord, and the baby remains inside the mother till the time it is inside the body of mother. The baby is breathing and producing waste as well as taking the nourishment from the mother. When the child is born, then the umbilical cord or the pipe which is connected to your navel, all of you know your navel, the navel is connected to the mother, the pipe is separated from the mother and the baby is born. So this takes place